What it do, Screws? Your boy John here. We are at the hotel. Well, I'm at the hotel. I'm meeting my teammate slash friend slash the homie slash the big man himself, Token. It's currently 10:30, and we're in his room right now. We're just pretty much getting ready to go. Well, I'm ready. I'm waiting for him now. He's just stepped in the shower, so he's fixing to get out, and then we'll be on our way. Plans to do is just pretty much we're gonna go to the mall. We're gonna go to the Speedway, Dallas Speedway. We're gonna be racing, enjoying fun time, as well as just show him out Dallas, see if he likes it. He arrived Wednesday, so I had to go pick him up that evening, Wednesday night. I didn't go home till like 2 in the morning, and I want to go see him. No, hold on. Picked him up at the airport, and it's pretty much just, it was like first time seeing him, so I was really excited. I was nervous because like it was like the first time meeting a teammate and friend. You know, it was just awesome. So highly excited for him that he's here, and as well as I'm just gonna be showing him around Dallas, and hopefully he'll enjoy Texas. So of course took him to In-N-Out, you know, since he never had it. He said it was okay. It was like he said it was like 7 out of 10, so it's a good rating. And last night we ate some grilled cheese from Whataburger, and I had a burger because I was hungry, and I had like 3 hours of sleep. So yeah. So right now we're just waiting for the magic to happen so we can head out and just enjoy the day. So yeah, I'm gonna throw in some clips for everything that we do. So yeah.
I think it's hot. What's up?
There's the man himself, Eric. I think you should just wear it for now. I mean, once you get hot later, you can just take it off.
Yeah.
So, how was your flight?
It was good. Long as fuck. For 3 hours.
Yeah.
Long as fuck.
Alright, so we made it back to the hotel. I forgot to vlog the mall trip because we're just gonna be shopping. I'm pretty sure that was gonna be boring, but we ice skating, so I should have vlogged that, but it was fun.
Definitely got some camera, like phone footage, so it'll be there, just not great quality.
Or, I mean, just stabilized either. Because we were just moving around. I felt like 3 times.
I fell once, not even gonna lie, straight on my ass.
But it was good. It was a great day. And then we were just driving back and forth. Went back to the hometown, showed them around. We went to my friend's Oven's birthday, so we just ate some shrimp, some potatoes.
Fire, by the way. Butters, excellent, perfect.
Yes.
Good as fuck.
Butters, aka Isaac, he is the grill master, so definitely I give him props every time that he makes great food. So now we're home with our fancy technology, which we both spend I did spend a pretty penny.
What, you spent 2 bands?
2 bands, yes, and I shouldn't have, but investing in photography, so that's what happens. And what my boy got, what'd you get?
Got that Acer Nitro 5, about $800. Good little
Nice.
traveling gaming laptop.
Yeah. Okay. We still have a gamer in hands, but still, I'm also still a gamer, but mostly at home. I wouldn't say traveling, but when I get to the point, maybe I will. So now we're just pretty much gonna call it a night, and tomorrow definitely we're gonna be having some more fun and more vlogging. So, pieces. Good night. What It Do Screws. We just got done with Ripley's, believe it or not, and we just got done playing the 7D Carnival. It was like a freaking theme park type shoot 'em up 3D game.
Played the shooter thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun. John kicked ass. Yeah, your boy came in second right behind him.
For sure, for sure.
So you know if you ever need somebody on the motherfucking
On the sticks.
shooters.
On the sticks,
On the
man.
sticks,
We got you, we got you. So right now we're just about to head home. Not head home. Keep going with the wind, Texas, and just.
We doing the escape room next?
Oh yeah, we're doing the escape room. Definitely an escape room. So, dragon.
This motherfucking dragon. Damn, boy.
Damn, boy.
You a dick.
That's a big ass boy. Where'd my head go? Damn. I don't even know where I fucking lost my head. What'd you get?
I got polo tacos. Polo tacos.
Pollo tacos.
Pollo. Whatever.
He got some pollo tacos. I took him to Paisanos Taqueria. Pretty much, I asked one of my friends if she knew a place where they sell tacos because my boy Eric wanted some tacos. So I was like, yo, where the good tacos at? She was like, Paisanos or some other place. And I was like, all right, Paisanos it is. So got him some pollo tacos with the Mexican Coke. Those were the best. Mexican Cokes are always the best, of course. I always get agua de horchata, rice milk. Nobody knows about that. And it's really good, bomb as fuck. So now I got tacos al pastor because that's like the best tacos for me. And also tacos de lengua, barbacoa. It's fire. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for the food and hopefully he'll like it.
Gang, gang.
All right, so we just got our tacos. Hey, bam, bam. What do you think?
I'll let you know when I eat it. Green one better.
Told you. Green sauce always goes better than on tacos.
That motherfucker got have you motherfucker on fire. We're at the gate.
Definitely at the gate now.
About to leave.
My boy Eric's about to leave, so I miss you.
We'll miss you
So
too.
I hope you have a safe flight. Be safe.
Be safe driving home with your
course.
3-hour drive.
Yes, of course. I'm gonna wait for you here to cross the security check until I see you safe.
I don't want it.
Don't forget to jam. Be safe. Don't talk to strangers.
I'll let you know when I get home.
Please, please. Please do. My boy Eric just left the airport, and right now he's gone. He's flying back home to Ohio. I cry, but hopefully I'm glad that he enjoyed Dallas. I'm glad that he enjoyed Texas. It was great spending time with him, and of course, he's always, to me, whenever I first started teaming with him and just pretty much got to know him as a person throughout the whole, from IW season to World War II, and pretty much just this whole entire time. Like, he's a great friend, he's a great guy, and greatest teammate, of course. He was just super calm, super collective. I really wish, like, it was more on my side. I really wish I would have stayed to be a better teammate for him, and you know, and a better friend, of course, too. But I'm just glad that I'm doing things a lot more this year, and as well as meeting my friends, my gaming teammates, gaming friends from different states, because I believe gaming is just fucking awesome. You know, you meet new people from different states, different areas, heck, even in the same place. You know, where you live in the state, or just even they're like a few hours away. You know, gaming just brings everybody together. And I met Eric, I met Trevin, Todd, Landon. I just met a bunch of people through it, and you know, and it's really good. I enjoyed it. I loved it. I still love it. It's just hard. I just had to step away from it and just build something more. And well, I want to say build something. I would just say I could just try something that pretty much that I could enjoy, that I enjoy doing more now than pretty much back then in gaming. So I'm definitely gonna go see him, and as well as Todd and Trevin. You know, definitely want to see them. So hopefully I can do this, make it happen this year, or maybe next. Who knows? But as I was saying about him, he's a great friend, great teammate. We played CS:GO, COD, pretty much just 2 games, but it is something about him. I always loved how he is as a person, and you know, it was great seeing him, meeting him for the first time. I was nervous. I was hella nervous meeting him because I didn't know how he looked like or anything. But the fact that he came down here, had time to spend with me, had a weekend, a blast weekend. But today was pretty much just say goodbye for now. So it's a see you later. Hope to see you soon. And I'm thankful for meeting him in person. And I'm thankful for him coming down too. But yeah, I love you. You're the best. Thank you for being a great friend and being a great teammate too. You know, as well as I just want to say I'm sorry, because I know I haven't been a great friend or a teammate, but you know, I just want to tell you thank you for everything that you did for me. And thank you for being there for me whenever I was down. So I love you, and as well as I love Trevin, Todd, all of my teammates that I've met. Thank you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as well as smash that like button and let me know if you guys want more of this. Funs with the homies and just friends coming down, or me flying down. But yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Deuce.